So about a month ago or so, I posted a question across all my social media just to see who could answer. And the question was, if distance makes the heart grow fonder, how is it that time heals all wounds? And then I had a statement, and the statement was, time and distance are our heart's own natural enemies. Now we're looking at this in a situation about heart healing love. Okay? So, in science, time and distance equals velocity. Velocity is also speed. Um, but speed is measured by speed of light. So, distance and time are almost the same, but yet they're different. And so is the speed of light. What I got from a friend, I was told the word ether, ether, which means like what you think is what you manifest, because when you think that thought, it's already here. And if you look at the word ether, it's ether, and then when you scramble it, it spells the word there. And in the word there, there's two words. It's the here. So if time and distance, okay, if I go all the way to the Western Hemisphere, it's a different time. If I go all the way to the east, it's a different time. If I go up north or down south, it's a different time. It's also the distance and the time is different, because the further I go one way, it's a different time. The further I go another way, it's a different time, no matter what. So if you look at it, it's almost like a compass: north, south, west, east, which is the cross. And when you look at the cross, if you circle the cross around it, and then Da Vinci, so like all shapes exist in a circle, which if you take a circle, put a cross in the middle, there's triangles and there's a square, and also there's an X. So everything is in a sphere, and the sphere is 360, which is one of the most perfect numbers. But if you break it down, it equals the number 3, which is the Trinity: mind, body, and spirit. There's just like a lot with numbers, and numbers are true because when it comes to numerology, and I made a video a long time ago about the number 383, and 383 is a very powerful number. It's about that love never dies is what the number means. And then the numerology to that came up to 5, and then when I did the numerology for this question, there equals up to the number 5. So 5 is an important number. Just make sure you look up the number meaning of 5. 5 is the number of completion. But anyway, so to answer the questions is, you can't be there if you're already here. But if you're already here, you're already there. So the answer is that no matter what, everything exists in the same universe. So no matter how time, distance, or speed goes, we're always in the same galaxy, in the same universe, because energy never dies. So whether we die and wither away, our energy recycles. So just know that the question was, if distance makes the heart grow fonder. So if like you're distant from a person and you're not near them, you can't touch them, you can't feel them, that's the distance. Time heals all wounds. Well, yeah, time does heal wounds, but it's also contradictory, because if there's a distance and you're missing them because it makes your heart grow fonder, so how are you really healing? And also, time and distance are the heart's natural enemy. So our heart only beats and pumps for a certain amount of time, and then it gives up. So when you're in love, that's why your heart beats and everything's just crazy, and you know what I mean? So it's like, stop thinking about being over there or over there or over here. Just make sure you're here in the present, because the present is linked to the past and to the future, but when you stay present, you'll be able to be here so you can get there, or you can get there because you're already here. So that's all I wanted to say. It was just a crazy question to ask people. All right, thank you. Bye.